In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your ElevenLabs voices. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to get started by opening your custom voices. Log into your ElevenLabs account and head over to the Voices tab on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find the Voice Lab, which houses all of your generated, cloned, or designed custom voices. So go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Voice Lab, it's time to locate the specific voice you wish to share. Look for the voice card that you want to share with an editor, collaborator, or client. You'll see a 3 dots menu, or you might spot a settings toggle on that voices card. Click on that menu to continue. Now that you're in the menu for that specific voice, the next step is to enable the sharing options. Look for something called Share or Sharing Settings. Here, you should see an option to toggle on permissions that allow this voice to be shared. You will have some choices to make at this point. You can either choose to share it publicly in the ElevenLabs voice library, or keep it more private and share it via a direct link. Select the option that best fits your needs. Once you have enabled sharing, the platform will generate a unique link for you. This is a crucial step because this link is how you will distribute your custom voice. Look for the button or option that says Copy Link and click on it to save it to your clipboard. This makes it easy as you won't have to worry about remembering it or typing it out. Now comes the fun part, distributing this link to others. You can send the link to your team members, friends, or anyone you want to collaborate with. When they click on that link, they will be able to seamlessly add your custom voice signature directly to their own ElevenLabs account for video creation. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for collaboration, so make sure to share that link widely. And that's it. You've just learned how to share your ElevenLabs voices effectively. Don't forget, sharing your custom voices can greatly enhance the way you and your collaborators create content, whether it be for professional projects or personal ones. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Your support helps me to continue creating content that is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and happy voice sharing with Eleven.